What's good? What's good? I'm back. Another box opening, another review. First and foremost, I want to give a shout out to my man Kev. He's doing some big things for his brand. I think you guys gonna like these shoes. Something different. Kind of like a little walk around shoe, but at the same time, it's something that you can keep around the house as well. You can walk around outside with it, relaxing, comfortable. And I appreciate them sending me a pair. I don't know if you guys can see the label. MUVEZ. Man, this is a dope brand that I'm really proud of my man Kev and his whole company for doing so much in the community, as well as just showing that hey, it's possible to be able to be a part of the sneaker industry in any way possible. But like I said, real sturdy, real sleek as well. Kept it simple. Real nice slip on for day to day, whenever you need it. So I appreciate my man Kev for sending me this, and a feature that most people either you need to go check out his website. So let me see. He told me it can pop out. Oh yeah, there it is. So you can actually detach the sole from the shoe and basically make it like a little slide, like a little sandal around the house. Like I said, it's made for some around the house, laid back, chill. But this is dope, man. I hope you guys check it out. I know they're gonna have a tag probably at the bottom, so make sure you guys go check it out. You can go get your discount using my code. And hey, it's your boy LG Kicks. Make sure you go subscribe.